revenge. Queen throws tantrum over Sussex out of control act, counter-strategy is ready. The royal family are anxious and fearful that they cannot control Meghan Markle and Prince Harry, a royal historian has claimed. Since stepping back from their royal roles last year, the couple have crafted a new public image. However, according to royal historian Dr. Edward Owens, the royal family are now concerned about their lack of authority over the Sussexes. The expert offered his opinions on Meghan and Harry after the Duke of Sussex recently announced he would publish a memoir next year. He claimed, "Already there will be some anxiety at court. Of course they are going to be worried. This is another thing that they cannot control. The royal family are obsessed by control, and when they can't control events, they are inevitably very anxious and even fearful. They are going to be celebrating Prince William, Catherine, the Duchess of Cambridge, and their young family in direct opposition to Harry's narrative. There is going to be a lot of positive attention devoted to the Cambridges, and they will have their statements ready. Buckingham Palace will be carefully thinking about how they respond to the Harry memoir." Harry announced in July that he would author an intimate and heartfelt memoir about his lifetime in the public eye. The Duke's autobiography is to cover his time as a royal from his childhood to the present day. In a statement, Harry said he will write about the joy he has found in being a husband and father. As well as their daughter Lilibet, Harry and Meghan have a son, Archie Harrison, who was born in 2019. Dr. Owens is the author of The Family Firm, Monarchy, Mass Media and the British Public, 1932-53. He claimed that the royal family's strategy towards Harry's memoir may be similar to the way they dealt with the publication of former King Edward VIII's autobiography. The Queen's uncle, who abdicated the throne to marry divorced American socialite, Wallis Simpson, published a highly controversial memoir in 1951, in what was an unprecedented move for the royal family. Dr. Owens said, in direct response to Edward's attention-seeking with his memoir, the royal family did a lot more promotion of the British royal family, especially around the young family of our current Queen. She was the antidote to Edward. She received more attention in 1948 and 1949 than she ever had before. The royals wanted to distract the British reading public away from Edward's memoirs. They thought that if they gave Elizabeth lots of good coverage, that would act as a distraction. Harry's memoir is due to be published in late 2022 by Penguin Random House, with the proceeds to be donated to charity. Meghan Markle, 40, and Prince Harry, 37, visited New York on Thursday, the couple's first major public trip since leaving the royal family. The trip to the Big Apple also marked the Duke and Duchess of Sussex's first public outing since they welcomed their daughter Lilibet. Diana was born in June. Meghan and Harry met New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio and the Governor of New York State, Kathy Hochul. The Sussexes also paid their respects at the 9/11 memorial at the site of the original World Trade Center. The couple's visit comes 2 weeks after the 20th anniversary of America's deadliest terrorist attack. Meghan and Harry will be in New York for a star-studded event on Saturday where they will urge world leaders to push for COVID-19 vaccine equity. Meghan Markle and Prince Harry met yet another U.S. official during their first working day in New York. But their day of high-profile meetings continued after they left the skyscraper. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex headed to Midtown East New York City to meet the U.S. Ambassador at the United Nations, Linda Thomas Greenfield. Opening up on their discussion, the American ambassador wrote on Twitter, "Wonderful meeting with Prince Harry and Meghan, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex." Meghan and Harry powered through their first joint public outing in New York and also attended a round table in partnership with the World Health Organization, WHO. World Health